Tip number 13 for communicating virtually with power, purpose, and impact: develop a dynamic speaking voice. Nothing is more boring than that monotone voice that you have to listen to for hours, or at least it seems like that. It is even more difficult on the virtual platform to engage individuals. So be sure to use your dynamic voice to engage your listeners. Vary your pitch, your tone, and your voice to reflect the mood regarding the message you're delivering. If you like this video, please make sure that you leave a comment and like it. Give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate your support and your enthusiasm, and I look forward to hearing from you.